is our maiden voyage. Luke built this track this morning by himself. He built Lego City. We're going to see how it goes. Ready, go, action. It's really motoring. Going around the first bend over the bridge. Wow, fantastic. Through the tunnel. Around the bend, another tunnel. Ah. Around the police station. Got a little caught up on the corner there. It's okay. Oh, can it make it up the hill? It can. It can.
Going over the tunnel.
Over the tunnel, around another bend. Whoa! It caught some speed there. See what happens here. Fantastic. Awesome. I think I can. I think I can. Awesome. Excellent job, Engineer Luke. Can we get a thumbs up?